Thinking about a nursery. What do you guys think about that venture? Good morning, Team R Smash. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back. Guys, just finished cast the floor. We set up the manuals them around the side, and we're still cast some beams upstairs. So we have a walk through, go through all the things, them see what needs to be done, you know, plan, organize, and them look at things there for the day, and then let the team know what is needed to be done, so we can plan and organize to carry through that as well. So in the meantime, we're gonna get some things to do and then cook. We're gonna get chicken or saltfish, and yeah, chicken or saltfish. All the strings are still on the ground. We card line them. We 100% like all the forecast. So yeah, hold on. Fries. Awesome. Oh, should I tell him say you? You didn't even look at you drink tea though. Oh. Water. So guys, as I said, I really do like the floor. You know, nice. And the nicest so see another room here. That room here looking best to me. That room here looking best to me. It look like I hear them start first so today. Therefore, no rush thing never did have run. Cause they Mason ain't even gone. And yeah, just the other set of crew now. They're on the outside of the upstairs. Which we're gonna have a look at, but we're gonna look on the manual first, our inspection chamber. So guys, this is our little manual action I got around here. So our grease trap is here, but as I can see is a work in progress. The laundry grey water and the kitchen grey water are coming here, so we have our like a extension piece, aside here a load on the side here, where which grease I can stay in here. So and you guys should remember to service your grease traps. So for the trained eyes, you can see that it's well over 1,000 gallons. As I say, it was not on the building plan, and we kind of inquire about it. So what exactly know if we not go buy a septic or build a septic. However, then plan for build a septic, and we get the dimensions, and this is the outcome. I couldn't even give an idea how much gallons that is, but that is well over 1,000. Still a work in progress. Go now, plan view. And right where the italics on the drawing show the existing building. You see, we kind of give an idea basically how high up the floor level is for this side. So before the week finish, septic tank is the focus, the manuals, and the ceiling guys are coming to put up the drywall. Good morning again, Team R Smash. Welcome to day 2 of the vlog. We're starting out the vlog with around by the second part of the building, where in which I go show some steel were flying in the last video, and I go explain why they fly them and whatever. I may also observe something else I never show, you know. Most people not even pay no mind or do it incorrectly from day one. So a couple videos ago, I mentioned where in which this profile represents our floor level going right around, and you see how steel fly in a 4 different columns on here, so. As you guys can see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So these represent like we fly the steel them. They tie this side of the building to that side of the building. So while the two buildings them together, basically those steels we see right there. So we did discuss whether or not they can tie down into the foundation or up there. So we plan to just have the footing come up, have another like a plinth beam or something, or another tie beam where come up here, so, and kind of just tie the building them, and then you have the slab on top of that. So some small little details where some of you guys probably miss out on, where important as well is this. So this is called, this is not lapping a steel, but this is offsetting the steel. And even when you offset the steel, it should not offset at the same point, where in which, as I say, it creates a weak point. So it should be something similar to what it's set right now. Some people kind of just offset them at the same point, but no. And you can't splice anything greater than like 35 or 36 millimeter. Yes, sir. Almost look like a tree chamber. You know, first coat, steel finish. Questions for engineers. When and when do you use hunch bars in your tanks? Regular septic tank, the one them for store water. When and when do you use the hunch bars? So, run here, so the cast. Now the box up yesterday. And we check out the materials, but we did include that in a vlog. To the know. Poor. Yeah, so messy, but come with the territory, you know. So then up on that side, and we'll take time work with we around here. But for now, I normally cut the camera and do my own look. From the manual, cut the little trench. Yes, sir. See what I'm going in. Soon done, people. Soon done.
Hi, you coming nice, man?
What is that one?
Yes, sir.
Two big, then two bag, yeah, mix up this up.
What? If I go with already, was it we can't have
Yeah, mom, here.
I don't want to know my trust of Sammy Lago. Tap them, but I don't know. Then I use premix, hand them I use. Put that in. If you use manpower, we'll have a cat, two there, one that you don't.
Them wanna move to stop, but them wanna can't stop. Yeah. Hey. Is it half a bucket? Half a bucket there one?
Oh.
Yo.
Yo, let me go change. Down in my black white, I'm going to send you a pull him. I'm going to touch on your cast. You have a kuno go, and carry go and swing in front of me. And I can't complain.
Just a while ago, I have to tell Dean that he wicked.
Let me complain. Let me go on the yard.
He there a while ago.
Come here.
You know, ex-policeman, about 30 of them, you know, my ex-policeman called Django. Django wear no suicide clock. You know, let me tell you, man. You know when the big American clocks around things. Them tell you, man.
Why do you ban like this?
Huh?
Why do you ban like this?
The American on the clocks, man.
Then no first time clocks them.
The American,
So them no first time clocks them.
what?
And what do you do?
And what are you doing?
No man, first time OG
And
thing
why
that.
do you clock next? But the clocks an American clocks, better than American this time the clock. Big.
And a cheese bottom that though. Oh, OG thing them that man.
England meal.
Right now you wipe that up a little more and can go party and that and then look new, you know.
Hey, me have a cousin in that. He said, when clocks are 30 pounds, 3 clocks are 70 pounds. How you go now? You buy clock store.
So guys, the rain came down and would have to kind of postpone work a little bit, and then it eased up back about couple minutes after, and we get feel like finish up the casting. And as I said, in the next vlog me I go start where I go see if we can start doing the ceiling. So as you can see, the place get dark and may not close out the vlog as yet, so may I use this opportunity for close out the vlog and let you guys know that you guys should subscribe if you guys haven't as yet, and you guys should definitely tell a friend about the channel. I notice a lot of people are come across the channel and it is a good thing. I truly appreciate and I want to big up my OG subscriber them. I want to yell up a new one them and just say, yo guys, you won't be disappointed. Team I Smash, we are here to stay, and I'm gonna show about these vlogs. So I am out. See you in my next vlog.